Today, I'm going to talk to you about some of the differences between American English and British English. American English is similar to British English in many ways, but very different in many ways. For example, some words are spelled differently. In British English, the word color is spelled C-O-L-O-U-R. In American English, it's spelled C-O-L-O-R. We also often use different words to describe the same thing. In Britain, people use a lift. In the US, people use an elevator. In Britain, people put petrol in their cars. American people put gas in their cars. Some prepositions are different also. In Britain, people do things at the weekend. In the US, people do things on the weekend. Our accents are also very different. I'm speaking with an American accent. Now, I'm speaking with a British accent. We often pronounce words differently, too. In the US, this is called a tomato. In Britain, this is called a tomato. Tomato, tomato. What do you call it?